देश आगे बढ़े ये सुनना नहीं चाहते हैं। इस बिल में हमारा देश की तरक्की होगा, ये हमारा मानना है। ये आज बात करते हैं एसआईआर का, बात करता है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का। पश्चिम बंगाल में हमारा नेता सदन को मार रहा है, पीट रहा है, ये कौन चर्चा करेगा? माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं इस बिल को ये समर्थन करता हूँ।
Allow the point of order when there is order in the house. You cannot create disorder. No, let him speak. He is speaking. I will allow you, Honorable Deputy Leader. I will allow you. Let there be order in the house.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, इस बिल से हमारा जो कार्गो का जो सामान है वो हम लोग विदेश में निर्यात करते हैं, उसमें हम एक फायदा होगा और इंडियन इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए अच्छा होगा। मैं इस बात को, इस बिल को समर्थन करते हुए मेरा बात यही समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद उपसभापति।
धन्यवाद। डॉक्टर फौजिया खान, not present. Please go to your seats. I will allow Honorable Deputy Leader. I will allow Honorable LOP also. But let there be order in the house. Let there be order in the house. Directly, leader of the opposition wants to say something. Please take your members to their seats. Please, Honorable, please.
What is this?
They're good. Fauziya Khan. The who will speak because Deputy Leader requested BRD.
सर, मैं आपसे विनती करता हूं कि रूल्स सबको एक होना चाहिए। रूल्स सबको एक होना चाहिए और जब मेंबर्स बात करते हैं या उधर के हो इधर के, अगर इधर के मेंबर्स अगर अपना पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठाए तो आप कहते हैं हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर। वहां तो भाषण दे रहे हैं, आप उनको अलाउ कर रहे हैं। दिस इज अनफेयर। You should be fair. Allow both people.
Okay. All right. I have heard you. Now the leader of the house will speak. I have heard you.
Sir, those who create disorder in the house have got no right to raise point of order. Only the persons who are trying to create disorder in the house, they have no right to talk about point of order. If you are so much interested, obey the rules accordingly. Otherwise, the chair has the final and his direction is the final. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I have heard the LOP. I have heard the leader of the house. I'll hear you. Let me call another speaker. Fauziya Khan is not present. Now, Mastan Rao, Sri Mastan Rao Vida. Mastan Rao Vida, not present. Sri G.K. Vasan.
Sir, 95% of our export trade is by sea. Country is flourishing today economically because of the shipping sector. It is very unfortunate that the opposition does not bother about the shipping sector and the economic growth on the shipping sector. Each and every main state in the country has got important ports. There are 12 major ports in the country, more than 100 smaller ports. Ports are the economy of this country. Sir, I am supporting this bill because it is a very, very, very important bill. Sir, I would like to remind, Tamil Nadu has got 3 ports, sir, which is very important in the country. Tamil Nadu is the only state which has got 3 ports. It is heartening to say that our Honorable Prime Minister, during his recent visit to Tamil Nadu, inaugurated development projects in the VOC port. I express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister and I support this bill. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद. The next speaker is Harish Diban Ayamal. You go to your seat and Mr. Bidan, you go to your seat.
सर
वो बोल रहे सर उसके बाद आएगा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर.
Sir, we are demanding a discussion on SIR, sir, Special Intensive Revision, sir. That is our demand, sir. Why don't you allow a discussion on Special Intensive Revision, sir? That is completely unconstitutional, sir. Why are you not allowing the discussion, sir? Let the House discuss about the SIR, sir. House has the authority to discuss about what is happening. 65 lakh voters being put out in Bihar, sir. Why is 65 lakh voters being put out
going on the
in Bihar?
record. Well, I have asked you to speak on the bill, sir. Speak
Why
on the
don't you allow
subject.
a discussion
You're
on
speaking
SIR, sir?
different things.
65
That
lakh
is not
voters are
about.
going, migrant laborers are going
What
out of the electoral list, sir.
about
Why don't you allow that,
will
sir?
not record.
How don't you allow that, sir? 65 lakh
not
migrant
record.
voters are there.
Please. If you are not interested and you are not speaking on the record, on the bill, then it is not going on the record. I think you are not interested. Let me call another speaker. The last speaker is Shri Dr. V. Siddhasan.